Diego Sanchez gave Isaac Marquez, a UFC superfan who suffered from Down syndrome, a night that he will never ever forget. This generous man noticed that a waiter was having a really rough day, and what he did next will leave you with tears of joy.
Johnny, okay, all right. So can I ask you a question? I'm gonna be personal. Can I be personal? How your day been going so far? Kind of rough. I kind of sense that. So what I'm gonna do for you is I'm gonna give you your tip right here, and then I'm gonna sew into your life, okay? That's $100. Okay? I just want to sew into your life, cause I can sense you just paid off my car, sir. I can sense you working hard, and I think you done had a bad day. And so God told me to sow into your life big time. So don't think everybody, you never know. Keep being who you are. Keep being nice. Don't let people frustrate you. Because people not nice. Merry Christmas. Now you know what? Let me do better than that. Here go another $100. Here you go. Here go another $100. You know what? Let me do better than that. Here go another $100. Here you go. Here you go, sir. Come on. That's $300. You just got blessed. Because I'm in the blessing business. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you. I know that's not appropriate. I'm a very controversial person, okay? Very good.
This boy was bullied at school for wearing the same clothes every single day, until two football players stepped in and changed his life forever.
When I saw people laugh at him and bully him, I felt like I needed to do something.
You guys are the best guys of my entire life.
Usain Bolt shows exactly why fame and fortune should never get in the way of how beautiful and kind as a human being you are. Just look at how much of a smile he put in this man's face for a single fist pump. A customer captured this very wholesome moment of a McDonald's employee helping a disabled man with his meal. These animal rescuers come across a swarm of seals and quickly notice that two of which were in danger. So, they get to work. Watch these amazing men put their lives at risk by forming a human chain to rescue this drowning dog. What a pleasant surprise as these students show appreciation to their beloved teacher, Dr. Brown.
Turns their camera on, including the instructor. Oh my gosh. Hey, here we go. Seriously, is it my fault? Did you have your cameras off?
So, Dr. Brown, we actually kind of wanted to do something.
With your cameras off?
Everybody, if you wanna go ahead.
Oh, you guys, no, you're gonna make me cry. You guys. Thank you.
What you're witnessing is a real-life Spider-Man scaling up buildings to rescue a strangling child. This footage shows doctors and nurses up on their feet clapping for this old man. Well, this is not some regular man, this is in fact a superhero who has been anonymously delivering COVID-19 patients to the hospital for free.